Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm David.
I'm Dinetta.
And today we're testing out Rug Doctor products.
First up, me spilling red wine on the carpet.
And we're going to remove it with this. The Oxy Power Stain Remover. Whoopsie! I think it's disappearing by just spraying this on. We hadn't even like gone over it with Rug Doctor or wiped it with a cloth or oh yeah. And as you can see, the stain has absolutely vanished. There just is no stain. Next up, Dinetta spilling coffee.
And we're going to clean it up with this. Watch my coffee, watch my coffee. Oh.
So the coffee's spilt. We're going to now test out the Spot and Stain Foam Cleaner. Says it's for coffee, look. I hope so. So we spray the foam, whoa, evenly. I think I may have done a bit too much. And then you rub it in circular motions, working from the outside in. Vigorously, the directions say. Don't know how vigorous this is. Then it says vacuum the area after 2 hours when fully dry. However, this little beauty here, I've literally just rubbed it all in for about 30 seconds. And as the camera I hope's picking up, it's as good as new. There is no coffee stain at all. And living in a house with 5 people, there's lots of high foot traffic areas. So there's lots of mud about. And we're going to clean that up with this. Oh no. Luckily we've got this. So the Rug Doctor High Foot Traffic Cleaner is to be used with the Rug Doctor machine. So you shake the bottle, turn the cap to on, and generously spray the area. Then you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes before doing this. And it's gone. Like, literally, that's where it was. All that mud. And it's gone. Oh, and we also didn't only try the Rug Doctor products, we actually got a Rug Doctor machine.
And here's their carpet wash.
La, la, la. As you can see from the couple of strips there I've done, it is definitely doing something. So when you're pulling it backwards, it's also got this deep clean button that you press in as you're pulling backwards. Oh my goodness, that is disgusting. And we're literally just done that patch over there near the sofa. Yeah, I think that says more about us than it does the Rug Doctor. And last but not least, you get this tool as well. So basically you connect it to there, you connect it to the front. All the instructions you'll get with your own Rug Doctor, so I'm not going to bore you with the ins and outs of it. This button here tells you whether you're using the carpet or the tool. I'm not going to do it right now because it's in my face and it might clean my beard up. And you can use this for like car seats, stairs. Let's have a little go. And you can spray. And then kind of... So obviously it's dependent on how bad your carpets are in the first place as to a noticeable difference to the eye. To the eye, as we've shown you in the living room, you can definitely see there is a difference. On the stairs, not so much, but that's because it's a bit of a dark area, but trust me, it is bringing up some dirt. It's definitely doing the job that you pay your money for it to do. I think the proof is in the wastewater tank. That's when you realise, holy, this is doing the job. So we've spilt coffee, we've spilt wine, I've stepped in a load of mud and traipsed it in the house, and this lot has cleaned it up effortlessly. Oh, and we also took the Rug Doctor for a spin. So whether it's coffee, wine or mud, these Rug Doctor products are no joke. They are seriously good.
They're really good, aren't they? Now,
this video has been sponsored by Rug Doctor, of course, and they did send us the product and the Rug Doctor machine, but this is genuinely good stuff.
Honestly, it was like magic. Everything was just disappearing in front of our eyes.
Rug Doctor, it's like magic. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever it is that you want to do. And we'll see you in the next video. I've been David.
I've been Danetta.
Late, isn't it?
Isn't it?